once again.
$1. We out here. We are do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Blog, and today we are going to prepare.
Alright, now we have a prayer fish. Put on my glove. Drop the fish.
Yeah man, now we're about to fry the fish. Let's add a little egg powder mixture. Or orange season. And let's drop it on the fryer. You guys are going to use a frying pan, so you're going to fry till fish. Yeah man, for all of the fish lover them, can do this fish in tomato sauce. Can serve as your lunch.
10 minutes.
Nice.
Tomato sauce.
Trust me. Look about it from baby mother and she love it. Look about it from mother and them love it. So you can do this. It's a nice recipe. Fish in tomato sauce.
Backside box. That bad mind, man. Box your own bad mind. I mean by me I do this and me I do that. If you don't want to do it, you know do it, me I do it. Me know why me I do it. Everybody has to see what me can do. More everybody say me a talent. You that are for your business. Me next chef Ramsey that are your business. You have big dream here. That me I tell you, big dream here. Big dream. So if you don't want to show nobody your talent, you want to go ahead and lock up with it. Lock up with it. Me I show everybody for me. Me I make sure show everybody my talent. Box, wait, let's see me start do my face. Then you know something different. 3:30 me I left us up. You have to cut out that part of the video here. Bad mind. Good. Boy, you don't know when me I do. So encourage me. Grayson, for people encourage me to tell me when me I do. Eh? Hey Grayson, before she try to encourage me, she a bad mind me. That's all bad mind box.
Anyway, so far from back to the recipe. So now we have fried the fish. As you can see, our fryer we are use so lighting kinda. Yeah man, so far from light now really work over here, so you now really get to see the nice color. So I'll show you a color still. So fry the fish in the fryer for 10 minutes. Yeah. So see how the fish look here. Right. Anyway, we are get right in our tomato sauce. So this are the ingredients: onion or tomato. I don't know, say tomato sauce we make from scratch. We Irish. And we sweet pepper, with thyme and carrot. We don't want need enough carrot. We just use the carrot for garnish. So
Yeah man, I know you cut up the season. Start off with the tomato. Alright, we dice some tomato first. I dice some tomato to saute first. Onion. Dice the onion. tomato dice. The saute the onion. You have onion dice. So the saute the onion. And we just cut some like this to garnish. Dice and cut onion to garnish. Yeah. Cut it like this. Cut some like this to garnish. Like this.
Yeah, man. So we'll cut the tomato in two, and then cut it back in three slant way. So same thing we do to the carrot. Cut the carrot slant way. Remember if you use a finger as guard. Check what me I do. Yeah. You set up your finger like a crab. Use it as guard. So you don't cut your finger. So, anyway, this is how we cut up season. We're gonna stir fry with season. You see me? Alright. Now you know we'll get our pot together. Get the pot together. Make sure you see your pot. And then I throw your oil. I need a good amount of oil because remember I say you're gonna stir fry the vegetable. The tomato we dice and the onion we dice. So when you gonna dice the tomato because you really want to get that nice flavor out of the tomato. So we use plenty tomato. But we're not using all of ketchup or tomato sauce. So we want the real tomato out of it. So we just use the onion for enhance the flavor and the other season for enhance the flavor. So as you can see we there we are stir fry. So we there and stir fry thing. And this tomato sauce, it can use for anything. Say for instance, you look for your family at home on a Sunday, the same tomato sauce can use for the fish. You can do chicken breast in tomato sauce. Understand? Even chunks, vegetarian you can do tomato sauce for the vegetarian them. So the tomato sauce is not really just for the fish. You can make the tomato sauce and you serve it with anything you choose. So as you can see, what we are doing now, we put in the rest of the season now. So we are pour this liquid. This liquid we just pour in water. But I mix it with a little bit of egg powder. Not plenty, you know, because the tomato already get the color. So we'll just dip a little bit of egg powder in it. So now we are throw sugar in it. So we'll cover it and make it simmer. Alright. This seasoning is optional. I use soup base. If you don't have soup base, you can use salt to substitute it. So, as I say, the soup base is optional. But the soup base gives a really nice taste. So, you can use the soup base. But if you don't have the soup base, you can use a little bit of salt. Remember your taste as you go along. So alright. Can't start it now. So after you're gonna make it simmer for like 10 minutes on low flame. Low flame. So also we get to extract all of that nice plummy flavor out of the tomato. Yeah. Low flame, not high flame, low flame to extract all that flavor out of all of the nice seasoning we cut up. Yeah. And then we throw cornstarch in there. Pour cornstarch in there now. You make it simmer. Yeah, need it to catch. You don't want to catch a paste look like say that do pizza, and you just want it to have that nice sauce look. Then all you do I just pour it over your either your fish. We do fish today, so as I say you can use the same sauce for your chicken, so you could pour it over even your fried chicken. So a bit chicken in a tomato sauce. So just see we have to pour it over our fish. You can see the nice tomato color. The nice color. So can check back for another recipe with your boys. As would I say, another day, another dollar. Out here, it's the more we are doing. So, peace. Yo, check back again. Yeah, man. And people, do remember to subscribe, you know. Click that big thumbs up there. And just let me know so yo, we are do the thing, you see me, because we done out here. And thing, you see me. So, shout out to all who joined the Soul Fry fam. Yeah, man. Respect. We out here. Big.